Hi guys, so today I decided just to eat a kebab and show you how I eat a kebab because I got a lot of recommendations about this that I should make a video of myself eating kebab. So I think I will do like just a fast food video every week. So I got this amazing kebab here. It has like garlic sauce and chipotle sauce. It's quite big. And I got also this fries here. And I got this sauce, which is mixed also. I got a special sauce because my mom said I am special. So let's see, I'm going to cut the kebab in half. So basically here is like the meat and so on. It's with beef, it has some vegetables. I'm going to open one so you can see how it is inside actually. It's like this. Looks really good actually, it has a lot of sauce actually guys. Okay, let's try it. Very good. Kebab is actually really popular in Lithuania. A lot of people love kebab. Oh, I dropped some meat here. I'm nasty guys, all the sauce is splitting. Let's try the fries now. I got nasty guys. Sorry. It's really messy to eat this. But it's so good. I don't know why I had this idea, but since my first video a lot of people start telling me, oh, you should eat a kebab, you should eat a kebab. And here I am. I'm gonna finish this. The last bite of this half. I think now you would like to eat a kebab or something like that, right? It looks so good. Okay guys, so what else would you like to see me eating? I don't know, if you like this kind of videos, I will start making once per week, eating just some junk food. All the recommendations are welcome. Subscribe and share if you like it, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.